survive 3 days without ocean?
Um, maybe because of the food we get, like, has water in it.
So we have food that comes from the ocean. What other roles does the ocean play in your life?
We go to the beach.
You go to the beach. Can you think globally?
Well,
Gravitational pull, how does that affect your life? Keep pondering some more.
I was not prepared for some of the things that my students did. One of the things that first struck me, it just blew me, was that when we put a picture up of Spaceship Earth and I see all that water on the Earth, and I'm thinking back, my classes finished their unit on water, they finished their unit on weather, we've even had an overnight field trip to Catalina. They are 5th grade. They've had science kindergarten through 5th grade. And for them to say things like, the ocean's important because we get food from it, and it has animals in it, sounded to me like a kindergarten answer. I really expect more depth and complexity out of my students. So continually rephrasing questions was a challenge for me, because at one point I wanted to just give them the answer.
What other impact does the ocean have on your life, though? All seafood. Is that the only way the ocean impacts your life? What are other ways the ocean impacts your life?
because most of the Earth's water is found in the ocean.
And so what does that mean, if most of the Earth's water is found?
If there was no oceans, then there would barely be any water. Yeah, because there'd be no evaporation. And then, no
Evaporation, condensation, what's that?
It's the making of cloud, or the forming of cloud. A cloud.
A cloud. What do we call that? Evaporation, condensation.
Precipitation.
Very good, Bridger. It's the water cycle. How does the water cycle impact your life?
Because if there was no rain. No rain, all our plants would die because we have no irrigation. And then, yeah.
What I want you to see is think a little bit bigger than just the food you eat and the water you drink. So Leah, at your table a few minutes ago, you began to think about how the ocean impacts your life every day. So what were some of the things you realized?
When we started talking about, like you said, we started talking about, it's food for us. But then we also started talking about the water cycle and evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and how like if there wasn't an ocean, there wouldn't be enough water for all of us because the evaporation helps keep our water cycle going.
Guys, what was predicted for today? Does anyone know? Yes.
Rain.
Rain, but it hasn't come yet. Where's that moisture that's going to be in that clouds coming from, most likely?
Probably southern part.
You think from the southern part? Just basically, where is all that moisture coming from that condenses in a cloud?
The ocean.
The ocean. Very good, Madison.
Something I'm still not sure about the ocean would be how do we get the ocean water, and how does it keep coming back to the ocean? I think we keep getting more ocean water because because of the water cycle, instead of staying on a mountain, it flows down the mountain and back into the ocean.